Welcome to the Collectibles Database website, a service that helps you organize, track, and appraise your collectibles. This tutorial will show you how to sign up for a new account. So let's get started. If you are new with us, then you will want to start either by browsing the page here for information, or you can select from the price guide a specific price guide collectible that you are interested in. Or you can choose Need an Account. Any one of these clicks will take you to a setup of an account. So say we want to set up an account for Longaberger. If we click that from the price guide, it will take us to the Longaberger information page. From this page, you can see the details that Longaberger offers as well as the pricing plans. Values only shows you that you can search and browse, but it's limited in how you can. You can view the same details. It's limited because you buy a pack of values. You can buy a pack of 10 or a pack of 25. And every time that you click onto an item's title and reveal all of the item's details, one of the values is depleted from your account. So if you are familiar with the collectible and you're just looking for specific values for your collection, then this is a really great inexpensive tool. It is limited because once the values are up, you either need to add on more values or the account closes. You do have access to the current market values. You can view and buy on the sales board. You can also still get free tech support, and you can add on the advanced ID tool. The Values Plus inventory is the full inventory account. It is an annual subscription. The cost here is noted here, and it will renew automatically unless it's canceled. There's no fee to cancel at any time, but the subscription does allow you to create an inventory, so we will not cancel the account unless you ask for it to be canceled. So if you decide to go ahead and do an inventory account, you just click Sign Me Up. You'll be brought to our invoice page. On the invoice, it automatically takes you into Longaberger because that is the one we originally activated. So you can make your choices here that you want to do inventory. You can switch your mind and decide that you want to do values from this place, but we're going to stay on inventory. You can also select your different add-on options. With the subscription, it comes with market values for most accounts. The ID tool is the in-depth advanced search. You can read more about it by clicking onto this, but it helps you identify baskets using shape and dimension. And we have an ID tool for both Precious Moments or Longaberger. You can choose to add that on here. It is an additional cost. As you're adding on features, you can see how your price is changing here. If you want to do the sales board, you can select that here. Again, it'll require you to read the sales board terms and service before it will allow you to activate. So just click on the sales terms and read down through that or save it to your computer, and then return by clicking your tab or closing that window will return you to the invoice page. Once you have opened the sales board terms and service, you will be able to check mark and activate that. If you wish to add on an additional collectible, you choose any collectible from this punch menu up here. If you choose to add on Hallmark, for example, then Hallmark options open up, and then you can choose to add whatever you'd like to do here. If you change your mind, just click it again and it will deactivate that option. If you want to do more than one collectible, then you just go ahead and continue to add on the ones that you want to add on. Again, if you change your mind at any time, just click that option again and it will disappear from your invoice. As you work down through the account, it will give you the option to create a username. The username is what will be used on the sales board, so you want to be able to come up with something that's unique, that maybe they don't know who you are. You provide the email address that you would like to do, and again, you're just working down through here to provide all the information that's requested. You select a password. Passwords must match. Your address, account information, your billing information, your payment. If you're provided a promo code, you can enter that right here to take off any discounts, and just hit apply, and it will tell you if you apply for that or not, or qualify for that. And this is where you choose your mailing preference. Quarterly mailings would be available for any newsletters or market updates. Monthly mailings are for discounts, anything like that. If you do not mark these, you still will be contacted for any account changes. And then lastly, agree to the terms of service, and then click Sign Me Up. So that's how you open up a new account. I hope this has been helpful. If you have other questions,